Hello dear, welcome back to my channel The English Jam, and in this video I'm going to talk about empty houses. Yes, what does it mean empty houses? Empty means khali. So there are some empty houses in my village. Yes. So why those houses are empty? Why anyone is not living in that house? Sometimes many people migrate towards the city, so they don't live in the villages. So there are two reasons for migration. So what does it mean migrate? There is a word migrate. So migrate means to leave, and migration is the noun form of migrate. So I think you have understood properly what does it mean migration is means that leave anyone had you know leaved had left his house, and he is living in the city area or anywhere. So it means, I think you have understood what is the meaning of migration. So some people, there are two reasons for migration. Some people migrate for the study, and some people migrate if they don't have any work. So in a village area, and if they don't like farming, so they will go outside for job and for other works. There are lots of work in city area, like there are lots of work, and I know, but I'm not able to explain properly what are the works happening in the city area. Don't worry, let's talk about it. So I am talking about what migration. People migrate for study. It is right. If colleges and institutions are not available in our village, then we should migrate towards the city. There in the city, there outside, there are many colleges and there are many institutions installed by some people, and in those institutions, study is happening properly. So for the purpose of study, we go outside. So it is the main reason of those empty houses. That's why some houses are empty in my village. Yes, some villagers go outside for study. So yeah, some people. And when I will grow, when I will be able to go outside, and I will be able to live outside properly, so I will also go out. Yes, I like that. I will go out and I will study properly there. Now in a village, study cannot happen like properly. Many people go out for study, and I will also go out when I will be able to live properly alone. Now I think I will not feel comfortable to live alone in outside. I am a girl, and I am not so grown up girl. So now I want to be a little grown up girl, and after that I will go out. And if you all from village area, then don't worry. It doesn't mean that we cannot be a great person being a village girl and being a village girl. So we can be a great person, we can get a job, we can get a job, and yes, job, being a village girl and being a village boy. But for that, we all will have to make some rules, and most of the rules we must have to be a consistent person. And our parents must understand that our study is important than work. Then we can, and our parents will have to manage work and study. So in this way, we all can be a great person, being a village girl, being a village boy. Yes. So That's it, my dear. If this video is wonderful and you have learned something by this video, then please subscribe this channel and share this video to your friends and to your relatives. We will meet in another video. Till then, bye bye.